Hey friends, if a notepad or wordpad is missing on your system, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now, as for wordpad, I'll tell you that it's gone. I'll tell you why. Search for wordpad, you will not find it. Try to search for it on Bing, you will not find anything sensible related to it. And then search for it in the Microsoft Store, and you will not find it there either. Okay. You won't find anything here, so you can use other text editors but not wordpad. But as for notepad, it should usually be there because it's used for coding. You can go to Windows Notepad, and if it doesn't exist, you can click on install, or you can always click on open. Okay, so this is the case. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.